A two-house by Caracho Arquitetos by Bauru, Brazil. The residence is located in a condominium in the city of Bauru, on a plot of land with a pronounced slope from the back to the front of the lot, allowing its arrangement on 2 levels. The main entrance is on the second floor relative to street level, occupying practically the entire extension of the architectural program. Access is via a lateral concrete staircase, starting at ground level, next to the garage and a multifunctional complex with internal connection to the residence, currently used as an office by the resident. The facade is delineated by 2 concrete gables, supported by concrete pillars as well, which not only tie the structure together but also run along the entire side of the building, penetrating the interior spaces. Both internally and externally, natural elements stand out at all scales of the residence, from the structure to the interior details. Elements such as exposed concrete, wooden flooring inside the house and on the external deck, large glass panels, and charred wood panels have been arranged to connect the spaces. The interior furniture consists of pieces signed by renowned Brazilian artists and a carefully curated selection by the interior designer, who is also the owner of the house.